In today's video, I will teach you how to make a perspective shadow text effect in Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea, then create a new file by going to File, then New, and setting the canvas size according to your needs. Now select the text tool from the toolbar and click on the canvas to type your text. Then adjust the font, size, and color in the top menu to your preference. And make sure the color of the text is what you want for the final look. Usually white or light colored text works well for shadow effects. Now use the Move tool to position the text where you'd like it on a canvas. In the Layers panel, right-click on the text layer and select Duplicate Layer, or simply press Ctrl-J. Then rename the original text layer as Main Text and the duplicated layer as Shadow for easy identification. Then select the shadow layer in the Layers panel. Then go to Layer, Layer Style, then Color Overlay, and set the color to black or a dark shade to create a shadow effect. Then right-click on the shadow layer and choose Convert to Smart Object so you can manipulate it non-destructively. With the shadow layer selected, press Ctrl-T to enter Free Transform mode. Then right-click with the transformation box and select Perspective. Then drag the top corners inward to angle the shadow, creating a perspective effect. Then adjust until the shadow looks like it extends realistically behind the main text. Then right-click again and select Distort if needed. Then use this to adjust the corners for a more dynamic and natural-looking shadow. Now go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and set the blur radius that gives the shadow a softer and more natural look. The amount of blur will depend on the distance and softness that you want. Then lower the opacity of the shadow layer in the Layers panel to make it more realistic. Around 50 to 70% usually works well, but feel free to adjust to your preference. An optional step is refining the shadow. You can add a layer mask to the shadow layer to fade or adjust parts of the shadow if it overlaps with any elements. To do this, simply select the Gradient tool and apply a black to transparent gradient on the layer mask to subtly fade the shadow at certain areas. Now ensure the main text and shadow layers are aligned as desired. And once you're satisfied, go to File, and Export As, and save your work in your desired file format. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.